Hello, hi everyone. So this is Abhishek here. I'm quite passionate about stock markets and businesses. So this is my first video and on YouTube, and I thought I'm regularly investing from last 7 years. I do share my insights and thoughts with my friend circle, with a group of friends, and always it was like that. So I thought, okay, let's put it on YouTube, and in case it's useful to other people. Okay. So let's start. Of late, I see a lot of traction for textile sector. We see a lot of textiles. You don't have to do anything much. Just do a Google search on textile sector boost and click on the news section. You'll see a lot of boosting and for textile sector. This sector is mostly dominated by Vietnam, Bangladesh, and the neighbor countries. But of late, with change in ministry and government focus more on the textile sector, and now I think Piyush Goyal has taken over the sector. He's the minister in charge, and there's a lot of production linked incentive schemes for textile sector. So this and of late there's a lot of China plus one talks, and India being a favorable destination. It looks like this sector will have some good time in coming, say some years, or maybe further ahead. So yeah, if you search with this, you'll see a lot of news articles about what's happening in the sector. So you can read more about it. One good thing is this article. Then here, Piyush Goyal visits and here he talks about he holds regularly a review meeting, and he's talking about improving the textile sector and including the export as well. So two sectors. So this for this sector, I have chosen two stocks which looks favorable to me. One is Welspun India, which has the P of 18.7, debt to equity is 0.81, which is below 1, which is good. Book value is around 40 rupees. Currently, it's trading around 132, 130, 140 range. The good point is the market cap to sales is still below 2, and in my opinion, it's kind of okay. Considering the bull market we have, it's still at a reasonable valuation. It would be good if we can get it cheap, but I think this is also fine. Same, yeah. So consider how it's going. This Welspun India is a global brand, and it has a lot of partners, a lot of yeah, who help in selling the towels and the fabrics from Welspun, Walmart store, Costco, Bed and Bath, yeah, and I think Target as well. Target banned some year back, I think, because of some issues in their textile content. I think it was on the Egyptian cotton not being used and portrayed as they're using Egyptian cotton, but that's past, and I think they've learned, and they made mistakes, and they learned from there. So they're expanding. The Target also renewed, and Target is also considering buying from them. Yeah, so many brands. So they are kind of good exporters. So basically I like export business because you get good value, and the cost is real less in India, and you get a good value while exporting. Although one negative point could be the cost of shipping is very high these days because of shortage of containers. But yeah, I think that should be temporary. Okay, same. The other stock which I like is the Trident. It's also market cap to sales is 2, but yeah, and yeah, they have leadership in terry towels. Debt to equity here is yeah below 1, I think. Yeah, so this is also a good stock. This is also an uptrend. So these two stocks, which they are the leaders, and I like them. Quarterly result you can see on the screener. You just go into the screener, search for the stock, and you can find it here. Profit and loss, the investments they are doing over the years. Yeah, so these things you can see here. Cash flow and the ratios and shareholding pattern and other news. You can read the annual reports as well. Um, So overall, these two stocks would be my recommendation. Okay. A standard disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, and I just do stock trading and investments, uh, and I share with my friends, and I thought we'll share with you guys. This is just for educational purpose. Please consult your financial advisor. And also, last important thing, as I share with my friends as well, never put a lot of like all your money in one or two stocks. Always use diversification. Whatever they say, some people say bad words about diversification. I don't feel that way. I feel diversification is good for new investors and even for experienced investor, because even for example, driving, but you still anything could happen on the road. Anybody could come from wrong direction. Same with business. Even though you know the management, you know the business well, but still the global geopolitical situation, or management, or the company, anybody could change, or there could be changes. So we have to always review our investments and accordingly take the decision. So yeah, maybe start with 2% or 3%, like that, in one stock, and slowly allocate more as the company performs well, but never go ahead and put all your money in one stock. So always start small and slowly add more. But yeah, that's how I prefer to average up rather than average down. Yeah. So thank you for watching, and this is the first video. So I'm very hopeful, and yeah, see you soon for my next video. Bye bye.